festival, which is AfroBeat Festival. So let's head over to Adobe Photoshop. Let's head over to create new, 5 inches width, 6.25 inches height with 300 resolution, and give it a title. And then click on create. Now our page is ready. Let's give it a margin. Every good design should have a margin. Okay, so locate view and then new guide layouts. Give each margin both top, left, bottom, right 100 pixels each, and click OK. Now the page is ready. Let's add our contents. So let's create our background. First, let's locate solid color and type in this color code F21513. Okay, hit OK, and then let's add our contents. So our background, let's pick this green bust beach. Guys, I have included all these files in the description below, so try to check it out. All right, download it and follow along. Let me drag and drop it, and then resize it. And then let's change the blending option to multiply and reduce the opacity to 50%. Let me type in 50%. Okay, we have reduced the opacity to 50%. Let's go and add our lens flare. Okay, so let me place it right here. Check the blending option to screen. Okay, and duplicate it 4. Hit on Ctrl J or Command J to duplicate it, making it 4. So we already have 1, so we add 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, then select all the 3, group them and name them flare, and then resize them. Just like this. But as you can see down here, can you see that? Let's add mask and pick our brush and make sure your foreground color is set to black, and then paint over the down top to blend in that area. Let me hide the wheel essence for you to see. Can you see that? Let's see the before and then after. You see how it has been blended in correctly. And let's name this one as beaching meaning. Let's group these two. We call it beaching meaning background. So now we are done with our background. Let's add some. Then I have named this lead 2D. So just open your zip file folder and then pick this leaf, drag and drop into your project, place it here, and then change the blend mode to multiply. Okay, and then increase it. The reason why I'm adding this is like because I want it to look like a tropical design. That's why I'm adding these leaves. Okay, let me duplicate it by holding Ctrl or Command plus J. Click on Ctrl plus T to activate your free transform tool. Right click and select flip horizontally. Okay, then bring it to the other side as well. Now we get our nice thing. Let's hit Ctrl plus G to group them and call this one fade in leaves. Okay, let's add to the background folder. Now it's time to add our contents. So let's add our main text here, which is the AfroBeat 3D. Let's put it right here. Okay, and let's add more things to it. So this leaf one, drag and drop it, bring it here and bring it behind the main AfroBeat 3D. Okay, for it to look like this. All right, good. Select the leaf one, open your folder and select this coconut background here, then place it here, resize it to fit your design. Okay, just like that. And let me place this one right here. Okay, like this, like that. You see this part, we don't like it, so let's add a mask and select our brush and let us paint this one. Good. Now let's add more effect to it so it will stand out more. Okay, so let's select the AfroBeat, head over to the folder, select clouds, drag and drop, and then place it on it just like that. See, good. And then let us add more effects. So select this coconut layer, open your folder, and then select the splash. That's the water. Okay, the water, and then drag and drop it, replace it to a nice position. Yeah, this looks nice. Good. And then let us add more effect to it. So let's add more punch to the title. So let's select the flare and then change the blending option as we do earlier to screen. Ctrl T to resize it, and then let's bring it up, then resize it. you place it to where you think it's okay. Alright, so for me, I'm placing it right here where the B and the E met. Okay, then I'll duplicate it by holding Ctrl plus J or Command J, and then I'll bring it up here and reduce the opacity. Sorry, I'll resize it. Okay, as you can see, I don't like how the color looks, so I'll just hue that color by holding Ctrl plus U, and then I'll just change the color to somewhere green. Okay, like yellow green. I think this is good, plus 40. Okay, yeah, let me reduce it a little bit. Then let's duplicate it by Ctrl J again and place it right here. Alright, like this. Now get our main text ready. Let us select all. Ctrl J, name it main title. Main title. Okay, let us reposition it. Yep. Now let's add our model. Yeah, that's our model. Drag and drop, resize here, place it right here. Okay, like that. Right, yeah, but I forgot something. Let's open the main text, select the leaf 1, open the folder, then come and pick this leaf 3, drag and drop it. Okay, resize it like that, and then let me rotate it like this and place it right here, like right here. Okay, and let's change the blending option to multiply, and then let's resize it to fit what we want, like that. And then let's duplicate it and then flip horizontal, place it right here, just like this. Good. Now let us minimize this, select the model, replace the model right here. Yeah, yeah, let's see. As you can see, the poster is really saturated, but the model isn't, so we have to add a little contrast or saturation to it. So let us select the model, hold Ctrl plus U. Let's add a little saturation to the model. Alright, like 15 is okay. Let's see, before and after, right? Yeah, it's marked right. Now you see he's bending down, so let's add some shadows. Select the model, hold Ctrl and click on create new layer. Okay, and then new layer will be created underneath the model layer. Select your brush, make sure your foreground color is set to black, and then let's change the brush. You see I have this brush there, but you can just pick this one, zoom in and reduce the brush size. Okay, then head over to the brush settings. You see the roundness, reduce it to maybe 15%, then you can achieve this one. Okay, let's reduce it a little. Yeah, I think this is cool. Let's change to multiply and reduce the opacity somewhere. Somewhere 70%. Yeah, 70% is okay. And name it shadow. And then select both the shadow and the model, and then link them. Okay, link them together. So if you move one layer, the other one will move together with it. Okay, that's the reason why we linked the layer. Okay, now let's add our Hennessy bottle. Here is it. Drag and drop as usual. Bring it right here. Okay, right here. Can increase it a little bit right here, and the same thing, new shadow, add shadow underneath it, just like that. All right, and then add a little contrast or saturation to it, and boom, that is it. Let us add level adjustments by holding Ctrl plus L, and then let us add more contrast to it. Okay, yeah, I think this is okay. Before, after, yeah, this is nice. And then another one named shadow. Select the both and then link layers. You can even group them and call it bottle. Okay, or add this one. Let us open it and then duplicate and place it right here. Okay, let's group that one. So bottle 2, and okay, this is bottle 2 and this is bottle 1. So the bottle 2 will be below the models layer. so it will be like placing in front of her like this. Cool. Yeah, so let us add more flair to it. Let me place it right here. Yeah, okay, bring it up above all of it, above all the layers. Let me group this one and call it model. Give it this. Select the flare, multiply. Sorry, not multiply, screen rather. Screen. And then increase it like this. Okay, place it right here like that. Like this. Control J to duplicate. Sorry, Control J to duplicate, and then bring it to this side, just like that. Hue it to reddish, yeah, somewhere reddish orange, like -17 is, let's go -15. Cool, this is nice, yeah, right? Let us increase it a little bit like that. Yeah, good, that's nice. Yeah, so let's select all of it and group it, name it image. So this is it, right? Yeah, now let's add our text. That's our text, AfroBeat Festival. So we already have the AfroBeat, so let's select the festival, then copy, come here, pick your type tool and choose font called Goldfinger Kingdom. Okay, that's the name of the font that I'll be using for the festival. Now let us paste it here. Change the color to white. Okay, just like that. Yeah, great. Let's set it to maybe 41. Good. Let us center it. Now let us add our effects. Select the festival, double click this side to open the layer style or the blending options. Okay, now let us go to stroke. Okay, put in this color B20 B0D. Okay, and then hit OK. The size, make it 6. Position outside blending mode screen, and then the opacity is 100%. Okay, now let's go to the outer glow. Let's pick this color FF001E, and then you can just copy and paste right here. It's okay. Change your blending mode to screen, opacity 68, noise 0, technique soft, and then let us go to drop shadow. Okay, drop shadow, solid black, which is 0.00000, angle 90%, distance 15, spread 28, size 4, and then hit OK. Now our festival is ready. Let us hide it and see the before and then after. Very nice, right? Let's hide it and then let us go to the date, which is the October 20th, right? Copy and paste it right here. For this one, let's change the fonts to a bold font. Let's say stretch. Let's pick stretch pro. Yeah, this one. Okay, font size 12. Let me do it October. Okay, October. Like that. October 20th. Then all in caps. Let's copy the festival effects. That is, select festival, right click, and then come to copy layer style, and come back to the October 20th, right click, and then paste layer style, and that's it. Duplicate the dates with Ctrl plus J or Command J. Bring it down somewhere here, and let's go for this one, which is the tropics. Copy and then select and paste here, and then let us change the fonts to Rock Maker black, and let's center it. Okay, like this, and change the font size to 22. Cool. Yeah, great. I'll bring it up a little bit. Let us select the main title and then image, and let's reduce it a little bit. Let's add the festival as well. Just like this. Good. Now it's left with the address. Let's come here the address, that's location, is plan B. Select all of it, and that, copy, and then bring your type to, and then let's paste it right here. Change the size to 7, and then the type to clock maker medium, and let us center it just like this. Center alignment, and guys, as you can see, because it is white on a brighter background, you can't see it well, so let us add a little bit black there. So let us select the background. Let me give it a color like violet. That's the background. Select the main background right here, right, the main background, and then let us add a gradient. This one, gradient. Yeah, so we can achieve this one. So let us bring it down just like this. Okay, and hit OK, and let us reduce the opacity to maybe 50%, or yeah, now let us increase it to maybe, let's say 85%. Isn't bad, right? 85 is cool. And let's change the blending option to multiply, just like this. Okay, see the before, after. We can convert to smart objects, and then let's bring it down so it won't affect the whole thing, just the top, the down, the bottom. Let me say just the bottom, so you see the before and then after. This look pretty nice, right? Good. Now everything is on point. Let us add the time and then the other stuff. So let us group this one and call them, and call this sub test. Okay, and let us make sure it is well centered. Yeah, well centered. I think that's cool. Let's give it a color. Let's give it orange. Now let us add the time. So the time is 7 p.m. right? So copy it, pick your rectangular tool, draw a rectangular shape like this, change the color fill to white, and then let us paste our text right here, 9 p.m. let us change the color to red. Bring it right here. Then I resize it to, let's say, 14, and then bold. So let's bring it down here. Duplicate. Door opens. I think this is cool, right? This is cool. So door opens exactly 7 p.m. You see, the entry fee is $20, but it is too small right here. So let us copy this. Let's group them and name it time. And let us duplicate, Ctrl J, and name this one rates. Okay, and bring this one right here. So that's the rates, which is the $20, right? That's the 20 bucks. And here will be entry rates. Yeah, so this one is entry rate $20, that's $20, and then there will be the door opens at 7, and that's it. Now everything looks nice, right? Let's let the main text and this one, and bring it a little bit down like this. And let us add our club name. So club name, presents. Let me change it to black, just like this. Center alignment. So that is it. Club name. Let me add a little stroke. Let's say stroke, normal. Then let me pick this yellow. Yeah, that's good. So club name presents AfroBeat Festival. Now our project is done. Look how amazing it is. Very, very nice. When I'm done designing a poster like this, what I like most doing is I'll click on Ctrl Shift Alt plus E. So I'll get this one, if this effects, and then I'll apply a little adjustment to it. Okay, so let's go to filter, sharpen, and sharpen mask. Okay, just to bring a little details like you can see right here. You see, let's see the before and then the after. Can you see that? The before, after, before, after. Okay, and hit OK. Let me zoom it so you can see it well. So let's see before, after. Very nice. And you can add a little contrast, or let's say saturation, to it. Okay, so here, select and then clip it, Alt and then clip it right here, and then bring in a little saturation, like 3. Let's see the before. So before, after, before, after. Now it is ready. Our poster is ready. Thanks guys, I hope this tutorial found you useful. Please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm doing 30-day flyer and poster design, so this is day 1. So guess what, the rest of the 29 days, what I have for you guys. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, and please share with friends and other creatives. See you in the next video. Peace. Adios.